Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the lookup key and the table in place. Place the key in the leftmost column so VLOOKUP can find it. Once done, click the result cell and type equals VLOOKUP, then reference the lookup value. Next, select the full table array, use $1.2, $D $100, or convert it to a table so ranges don't shift. Make sure to append, call index num to pick the column, and false for exact matches. That prevents wrong returns for unsorted data. Now refine how VLOOKUP pulls data. Determine call index num as the count from the leftmost column of your table, not the sheet column label. If columns move, use match, header table hash headers, 0, inside VLOOKUP to locate the index dynamically. Once you nest match, the formula adapts. Also consider index/match when you need to look left of the key or require better performance. Finally, wrap your lookup in Iferer to display a friendly message instead of hash and slash. Complete the process by locking your table array and lookup references with $, or by using a structured table, then drag or copy the formula down. Once copied, validate a few rows, then convert to values if required for sharing. Make sure to recalculate F9 after upstream changes and update table boundaries. If something goes wrong, start with the most common fix. Check for exact match errors, inconsistent data types, and that call index num still points to an existing column. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.